doing a front diff removal on Polaris 800. Start in this area by disconnecting the shaft. As you see, the shaft was going to pull backwards. You can actually push it back, not a problem. Just take the pin out from over there. You might want to replace with a new pin. Pop that in with a hammer. But I'll give you some hints. Don't remove the wheels or anything. All you're going to be doing is removing these bolts right here. I'll combine the videos at the end. Just disconnect your A-arms and I'll show you what happens, okay?